All right, what's up, guys? We went to Detail Garage to get some chemical guy stuff. New wash, wax, all good stuff. But when we took the Skyline out of the garage, we caught a snag and we kind of fucked it up. So I don't have the tool to get the hi Enzo. Say hi Enzo. Hi. Oh yeah. I don't have the right. It's like a square tool. I don't have that. So looks like I might gotta run to Home Depot to get it. But today, we're putting the stock tails back in. Getting rid of those ugly chrome shits. Just got bulbs because those are LED and they're wired in. So now we have bulbs, so we just gotta do that. But I think I'm gonna fix this transition first. All right, looks like we're going to Home Depot to get that tool because we definitely don't have it. Because we gotta fix that. So we're not taking the Skyline because we just took that, but we're gonna take the Z. What's up?
Did you ever catch those neighbor kids' names?
I don't remember. Everybody told me their names.
Ask them if they come by. I heard this little one's named Chase.
In the Z because Home Depot. Alright, so Home Depot didn't have what we needed. Look at that thing. Oh my. Thing's sick. Anywho, the things you see at Home Depot. Now we're gonna go to Walmart. Fucking Walmart. Oh. That's not. Who's making that noise? GTI. Gross. Check out that Durango. All right, we're going to Walmart. Ready, hands up? Go get it, bud. All right, so after we went to like 4 stores, we got what we needed to fix this, maybe. So it seems like nobody sells this plating. All right, so what I did, I got some peel and seal aluminum, like, I don't know. So I'm just gonna like flex seal the shit out of like the bottom after I take that piece off, and then I'm gonna put that stuff all the way across, and hopefully the rope, get in here, come on. The hopefully it doesn't catch anymore. Well, the problem is the exhaust in the Skyline is too low. And I'm getting that fixed in 2 days. So hopefully after that, it won't be an issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward and get some of this crap off, and we'll go from there. We ran out yet again because this is like, it's like the metal was folded under and screwed into the bottom of the garage before it was put in, and then the pavement on top of it. So I was hoping I could just like pull it out of the slot. But it's not working. So I had to go get a Sawzall and some metal blades. So now we're just gonna cut it as close as we can and get finished. Man, I've ran to so many stores today. This is ridiculous. We still haven't done the taillights. What's going on, man? starting the taillights, alright? We got all the bolts undone, all that shit. There's like 5 bolts. And you see all this black goo? Suppose I gotta cut that around somehow and heat it up and just peel this thing out. Suppose it's a pain in the ass. So I'm gonna get to work on that. Camera died. I don't feel like going to get a new battery. But I took the Skyline plate off. And we got it out. Now, what we got to do is take the faceplate off. Take the faceplate off. The black surrounding. So it can go on the OEM taillights. That's off. Those are fucking ugly. Look at them titties. Alright, so that's off. And now that's got to go on there. But before we do that, I'm going to polish those up with some wax. Yeah. Stock's back in. OEM. Looks way better. I just have to put the Skyline piece back on. Put the carpet back together. We're good. Those clears just weren't doing it for me. Cause they're like LEDs, like they're cool and all. I'm not a fan of chrome, and they didn't have that like ring glow that the stock tails do. So, alright, I'm gonna put these back together, and then I'm gonna finish this because my drill should be charged up. That I can zap some screws in that and finish what I was doing, so I can get this back in here. Put some Flex Seal on this. Then I got some tape I'm gonna put on it. I wrapped one of the taillights up. I got the other one. I think that's gonna it's gonna do it for the day, man. Maybe I'll wait till it gets dark. Show you guys what the tails look like. Do a comparison to the LEDs. Well, that's it. I'm gonna finish this up. I don't need to make a video for that. And maybe put it back in the garage. So yeah.